Let me tie this hair. Take it backwards.
Okay, I'm going to be spraying it. We are going to be blowing on a low heat, okay? We're not blowing on the high heat, very low heat. And make sure you're not forgetting this comb, okay? You're combing it because it has to slick it. Oops, accident. So we're going to be tying it now. If only I can take this content thing serious with myself, okay? But I'm not a serious person, and I don't think I will ever be because I don't take life serious.
Just do it like this.
Okay, so I'm going to be cutting the lace.